Krishna's wife Rukmini was his main consort or Patrani. She was also very humble and pious. Rukmini's father, King Bhishmaka, and brother Rukmi wanted her to marry Shishupal. However, she was so in love with Krishna and he with her that he stole her away on her wedding day and took her to Dwarka, where they got married. Since Rukmini was the incarnation of goddess Lakshmi, she wanted to be with her husband Lord Vishnu. Once, Lord Krishna and Rukmini invited sage Durvasa to dinner. It is well known that the host should not eat until the guest has been satisfied. But Rukmini became very thirsty. Krishna put his foot in the ground and the Ganges waters flowed out. As Rukmini was drinking water, Durvasa saw her and cursed her to live apart from Lord Krishna. The curse was so strong that even now Lord Krishna's temple is in the town of Dwarka, while Rukmini's temple is outside the town. Syamantak Gem. A noble man of Dwarka, Satrajit, was a devotee of Surya, the sun god. Pleased with Satrajit's devotion, Surya gifted him the Syamantak Gem. This gem could magically produce 8 measures of gold a day. Thus Satrajit suddenly became a very wealthy man. Lord Krishna approached Satrajit and asked him to share the gem with the other people of Dwarka and give it to his grandfather, King Agrasena. However, Satrajit said, "No, this gem does not belong to anyone else. Keep it safely, Satrajit. This gem also has the power to wipe out all sorrow and destruction," warned Krishna. A few days later, Satrajit's brother Prasina wore the gem in a necklace and went out on a hunt. When he climbed up a tree and waited for a game, a lion came by. Startled by this, Prasina fell from the tree and was killed instantly. However, the necklace with the Syamantak gem became caught in one of the low branches. Lord Krishna is accused. The lion had killed Prasina was attracted to the glow of the Syamantak gem. As the lion was walking away with the gem, Jambawan, the king of the bears, saw him. He killed the lion and took the gem to his cave as a gift to his son. When Prasina did not return to Dwarka, Satrajit said, "Krishna must have killed my brother Prasina for the gem." To prove his innocence, Lord Krishna gathered a search party and went into the forest. When they found Prasina's body, Krishna noticed the lion's tracks around the body and assumed that a lion must have killed him. When they followed the lion's tracks, they found the body of the dead lion. Krishna noticed the marks of a bear claws and its tracks around the lion's body. When they followed the bear's tracks, Krishna reached Jambawan's cave. Krishna ordered the search party to stay outside and entered the cave alone. Jambawan and Jambawati. Lord Krishna found Jambawan's son playing with the Syamantak gem inside the cave. Seeing Krishna, Jambawan's son let out a wail that alerted Jambawan. Jambawan thought that Krishna was attacking his son and fought with Krishna. This fear fight lasted for 28 days. Finally, Krishna appeared as Lord Ram. Jambawan immediately recognized him and fell at his feet. He was a devotee of Lord Ram and had helped him fight against Ravana. Along with the Syamantak gem, Jambawan offered his daughter Jambawati's hand in marriage, and Lord Krishna accepted. Krishna returned to Dwarka with the Syamantak gem and his new bride. He returned the gem to its rightful owner, Satrajit, who was ashamed of accusing Krishna. He offered his daughter Satyabhama in marriage. But Satyabhama already had 3 suitors, Akrura, Kritavarma and Dhanwa. They were furious that Satrajit had married Satyabhama to Krishna and not to any of them. Lord Krishna is proved innocent. The existence of the Syamantak gem spread like wildfire. A lot of people desired to own the gem. One of Satyabhama's suitors, Dhanwa, also wanted to own the gem. He was also angry that Satrajit had married Satyabhama to Krishna. So one night, he broke into Satrajit's chamber to steal the Syamantak gem. When Satrajit protested, Dhanwa killed him and stole the gem. On realizing what he had done, Dhanwa left the gem with Akrura and fled from Dwarka. Lord Krishna and Balram learned about this and killed Shata Dhanwa for his crime. Not finding this gem with Shata Dhanwa, Krishna understood that he must have left it with Akrura for safekeeping. He called a meeting at his court and asked Akrura to show the gem. Everybody was startled to hear Akrura's name. Lord Krishna knew that his uncle too was part of this wrong deed. Akrura fell at Krishna's feet and asked for forgiveness. Thus, Krishna's name was cleared.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.